Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Windows without an USB drive. And this video is more straightforward than the last video. So first you're gonna open your browser and search for EasyBCD. Just click the one from neosmart.net, and after that you scroll and you select the non-commercial one and click register. So just enter your name and your email, just press download and done. Just wait until the EasyBCD is complete downloading, and I have installed. Okay, so just press next, I agree, and next again, install. Just click finish, just click OK and minimize it. So the second step is you're gonna go to disk management. If you can use search if you want, or just run. So this mgmt.msc, click enter and click the wait, it's not opening. Okay, I see. Okay, so choose the disk you want to use. Just right click it and shrink volume, enter 10 GB, allocate it. So to allocate it, press in this allocated, right click, new simple volume, next, and go with the default. So just wait. Okay, after that just close the disk management and use the ISO you want to use for Windows. So wait, I'm searching. Oh yeah, there it is. Just I'm gonna use Windows 7. Just double click to mount it. Select these three folders, and copy. Go to the new partition you just make and just paste it. And wait until complete. Okay, after complete, you open your EasyBCD and add new one, because I have installed. Just click in the WinPE, select the name you want. I'm just gonna use the default, and click this button in the path. Go to the, I'm just gonna call it partition. Go to the partition and go to the sources and install the twin. Wait, just put the twin on. Okay, so I'm a bit wrong here, because you need to use the boot.twim, not the install.twim, because you can't boot into the install.twim. You need to use the boot.twim to boot into the WinPE. So many boot, but okay, you'll see why later in the video. Yeah, I think it's installed the .twim. Click the plus and wait until a text appears and you're done. Just close everything, and restart. I'm gonna switch to my phone. Okay, after you close everything, you go to restart your computer. Okay, autofocus is good. Drink some tea. this way. And after this screen is shown, just select the NST will be image one. Just click enter and just wait. Otherwise, turn the brightness down. Okay. So this will happen if you use the install.twim, not the boot.twim. Like I say last time, yeah, you're gonna have the screen and you cannot install. Wait, I forgot. This wait. Okay, I think you need to use this boot.twim. Wait, I'm not tired. Okay. Let's start again. Start again. I think this one. Yeah. So is the boot WIM boot.twim, not the install.twim one. Accept the license term and custom. I can choose this you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, just next. Okay, and this one. I'm gonna split up this. Okay, just drove my side. Let everything safe. Like open. Okay. Let's restart. Let's restart. I don't pay attention. Listen. Straight. Step up here. Okay, quick disclaimer, you can just stop the video here, or if you just too bored, you can just or feeling nostalgic, you can just watch the entire video, and that's it for this disclaimer, and bye bye. Okay. We'll name it. Napasok. Okay. Oh my god. What is this? Is it locking up? I think it is. The heart is not writing anything. Alright. Kalau bisa diisi. Reset again. I don't want to save me. Good starting. again. Please login lagi dia. This not writing anything. Okay. Okay. This mouse is analyzing your settings. Let's speed up here. Okay, here it is. Welcome, Windows 7. Welcome, preparing the desktop. Okay, here it is with Windows 7 desktop. So I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.